In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Gmail. If you've looked for a justify option in Gmail's formatting toolbar, you've probably noticed it isn't there. Gmail offers a line left, a line center, and a line right, but no justify. Justified text stretches each line to the same width, giving your message a clean, print-style edge. For those times when you want that polished look, here's the reliable workaround using Google Docs. First, open a new Google Doc in your browser. Think of Docs as your staging area, where you'll do the formatting Gmail doesn't natively provide. Type or paste the exact email content you plan to send, greeting, body, sign-off, then highlight the text you want fully justified. With the text selected, go to the toolbar in Docs, open the alignment options, and choose Justify. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+Shift+J on Windows or CMD+Shift+J on Mac. You should see the edges of your paragraph snap cleanly to both the left and right margins. Take a quick moment to check paragraph breaks and spacing. Justified text looks best with clear paragraphs and no accidental extra spaces. When it looks right, copy that justified text directly from Google Docs and paste it into your Gmail Compose window. Because Gmail supports rich text, the justification is carried over and preserved. Avoid using any paste without formatting option since that strips alignment. After pasting, give it a glance in Gmail to confirm the alignment stayed. You can still change fonts or add links without losing the justification. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. Keep your font and size consistent in Docs before you copy, ideally using the normal text style, so what you paste into Gmail matches your message. Wide columns can create large gaps with justification, so consider shorter paragraphs for the cleanest look. And remember, Gmail won't show a justify button even after you paste, but the formatting remains in the message you send. Most modern email apps respect this formatting because Gmail sends the alignment in the message's HTML. On very small screens, some clients may slightly reflow paragraphs, but the overall justified look generally remains, especially for standard fonts and sizes. That's it. Use Google Docs to justify, then copy and paste into Gmail for a polished, professional email. It's simple, dependable, and fast once you've done it a couple of times. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.